When you think about village, what comes to your mind? I think the people with genuine care and affection, cows, buffaloes, and whatnot, pleasant sounds with the birds, and the green fields too. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to take you to a journey to my beautiful village as it observes the sacred month Muharram. This is a great significance for the Muslim community and in our village. It holds a special place in our hearts. Join us to explore the essence of Muharram and how it brings us together as one. Before telling how Muharram was happened in our village, let us know what is Muharram and how it is celebrated. Muharram is the first month of Islamic calendar and holds a great importance for Muslims worldwide. It is a time for both mourning and reflection commemorating the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad and his loyal companions. It was done by the Muslims in the month of Muharram. The people who settled in the cities and towns comes to village at the time of Muharram in the 9th and 10th days to stay in village and to show gratitude towards Allah and remember the sacrifices of Imam Hussein. It makes us happy to see the cousins after a long time. Muslim communities of our village are encouraged to engage in religious activities and some observe fast on 9th day before Asra. We respect the sacrifices of Imam Hussein by making replicas of them with floral decorations and illuminated by colorful lights. At 9th day in the morning, we go to collect the logs of woods that were burnt in the evening so that we feel like the village is to spread with a positive energy. On 9th day, replicas of Imam Hussein were placed at a holy place we call it as Peerless Sabbath. Irrespective of religion, we go to the Sabbath and we offer prayers to Imam Hussein. We remember his sacrifices. We offer the sugar and jaggery juice. On the 9th day, there was a kolatam, the local art form performed by the kids on one row on that night. That makes me so happy because nowadays everybody was busy in looking smartphones and computers, but the time which we spent on that day was a quality time. Everybody was enjoying the local art form. That makes me very happy. Like everybody was enjoying it. Some people like me were recording that art form into their phones. And at early morning 2 o'clock, replicas of Imam Hussein and his companions was carried by the people irrespective of religion total around the village. Everybody welcomed the people who carrying the replicas of Imam Hussein and their companions with water filled in the pots or along the roads to be carried in a way that is clear and clean paths. The replicas goes to every house of the village. And on the 10th day, the replicas were being going to total village once again. Like there will be sadness in the people. And the replicas of Imam Hussein and companions will be carried towards the well, which was located outside the village. A tribute towards the Imam Hussein and the flowers and decorations are removed, kept in a box, and they come with the songs tributing to them and carried to the mosque. And there you have it. This one brings us together, transcending barriers and forging unbreakable bonds. As we remember the sacrifices of Imam Hussein, may we also embody the values of compassion, unity and self-reflection in our daily lives.